Sanibonani football lovers. Nyanamkela ku Sportibong igama lami Ubonge Nkosi. Ngethembe ni kahle niyaphila emakhaya. Iyabanda namhlanje. It is as cold as ama responses ka coach Hugo Bruce when asked about Gift Links and Tim Nkosi Lodge. They are very cool. And it can affect especially the confidence of the player. Because we know very well that Hugo Bruce is one coach that is very direct, calls a spade a spade. He doesn't sugarcoat anything, but ayamagama wakhe sometimes afika hlale. And the unfortunate part is that ukuthi these players bebangekho nasemqondweni ukuthi bona bangayithola sebabizwa kubafana. It's just nje ama-journalist abuze ama-questions and umadala answered. But indlela nokukhuluma ngayo sometimes ayihlale kahle, but asiphume lapho ipolitiki lebhola leli esingasoze saliqeda maduze futhi. So let's talk about another coach Kevin Hunt, the former Kaizer Chiefs coach le yacishe yasuwinisa iCAF Champions League kwamosheka nje sekumosheka ekugcineni. I don't know ukuthi is he now resenting iKaizer Chiefs or kwenzakalani, because behavior yakhe these days ayikho yinhle. But he said something very profound about the Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is in the right direction. These two co-coaches are steering it in the right direction. They can play, but they are only missing the one aspect ukuthi kube nama combinations in how they play. Of which I think he has a point, because Kaizer Chiefs you can find it playing, create goal scoring opportunities, but you cannot point now ama combinations that are helping Kaizer Chiefs. Because maso iqala from the back, you can say emuva they've tried a combination ka Miguel no Aiden McCarthy isibaspanele nakhona, bazama a combination ka McCarthy nokunika yabaspanela. They tried a combination ka Kunika no Miguel yabaspanela, but inkinga ilapha in the middle of the park and forward. Because in the middle of the park we saw the coaches trying uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo as a number 8 and uSibongiseni Mthethwa as a number 6, and it does work here. It's just nje ukuthi i-consistency enokuleka kuNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo ukuthi sometimes ubone sekudlaliswa ucele. But you can see ukuthi it is working effectively because they understand ukuthi they have to compromise. They have to compromise because uNgcobo will focus on trying to regulate how Kaizer Chiefs play, controlling the tempo. He will collect the ball deep from Oaks when they play those short passes, and then he will decide and then initiate a transition for Kaizer Chiefs, and he'll string along those passes in order for Kaizer Chiefs with by forward to attack, including Umdodai in that trio. But Ekacele no Mthethwa, it doesn't work because it seems like they are both defensive minded. So it simply means they have shared responsibility. Whilst if Oiwan Beazo focus on defender and cut my lines of my opponent, and then the other one are focus on creativity, controlling the tempo, making sure Kaizer Chiefs does play in that middle of the park. But now Evelyn Kombuze that season whereby we had Castillo and Yusuf Mart in that middle field, which it wasn't working because they were both defensively minded, and we must understand who is playing as a DM, who's playing as a number 8 because of what? A shared responsibility. That's why it is making it difficult for Ucele no Ox a combination yabo. Even though we saw when we played against the Orbit College 1-4-1 and Ucele no Ox, but you can see there was a bit of confusion. Look, understand and this is what we do. Because my singazathi wonke umuntu wenza into ayibona right ngaleso sikhathi, but not tactically ngendlela le melibe ngakhona. So those are the combinations I think ukuthi ama coaches mele babheke ukuthi okay, let's focus on kuNgcobo noMthetho. If it happens, okay, let's focus on Ucele noNgcobo number 8 and number 6, because we saw that ku pre-season where we thought ukuthi maybe this season kuzoba kanjalo. But similar say Kaizer Chiefs is doing a different thing. And then going forward, uvele by I think played 2 games for Kaizer Chiefs, came off the bench against the AS Simba when we played at Dobsonville, and then he started versus Orbit College. People were impressed by his input and how he displayed the way he plays. That's why they managed to pick it. Let's try this combination of a VVS, Velepai, Vilakazi, Shabalala, and see what is speak up, because they see what they are youngsters, they are vibrant, they have energy going forward, they are explosive. And also when they go forward, they have those calculated runs going forward, knowing very well with Maba figure in the final third. This is what they need to do. They are in sync with Paguti, they are in the same wavelength. But man, obviously, in terms of decision making. But in terms of play, they are good at playing. So they manage ukuthi okay, asibheke ukuthi le VVS izosiphathelana, because ovele by akakadlala ama-games amaningi, but already they are convinced ukuthi he's the main guy for them, because he's competing with ubani Upule Mode on that left hand side. And also it can happen ukuthi ama-coaches cannot play it ibe regularly, that trio laphana ukuthi kungaba uvele by kubo Mdu bese kuba uVilakazi, because uLilepo can come back angene lapha ku left wing. So it simply means ukuthi manje say compromisekile that trio that they were trying ukuthi bayibheke. So it's all about that with okay lama combinations esikhuluma ngawo awangaforcwa, but let's see ukuthi if we build from that azosibeka up, because there's also another growing combination SS bayibiza social science. It's Sereno to Silva. You know very well ukuthi kuzoba negoli elizoba khona. Sereno with an assist, Silva with a goal. So if maybe they can play more often, maybe we can see something positive coming out from that combination, because we see it already. Silva scored 2 goals, assist of Sereno. Sereno na assisted Silva with 2 goals. With 2 assists, wakora 2 goals. So it simply means good. Let's leave these coaches benze into yabo without putting any pressure on them, so that they will have an understanding with okay, these players, you understand their strengths and their weaknesses. So the best way to use them, the correct way to use them in order for them to be effective, to give us the desired result, we have to use them this way. So obviously we see vele ukuthi VVS ne SS ngazathi kuzoba yinto ezoqhubeka, but manje khona abanye abasengafika bayimoshe le combination, because you select a squad according to a game plan of that particular day and ama-opponents odlala nawo, because khona ama-games angamvuma uVilakazi, khona ama-game angeke amvuma uVilakazi, same with uVelebhayi. So it's all about that ukuthi let's understand ukuthi sibhekane na ziphi inqinamba, so that we can see what we want instead of us ukuthi sithole lokho ekumele sikuthole. But we have to understand those things. Those little details matter, because they help you decide kwamanye ama-games. And then let's talk about Umfundo Vilakazi. Umfundo Vilakazi it is no surprise that he's doing so good, because of what? Of his technical ability. And for a player that knows what he's technical gifted, it gives him to have that advantage ukuthi whatever that he wants to do with the ball, he will do it, because he has an control over the ball. But now enye into emele siyibheke ukuthi if you're gonna put him in a position excuse me, in a position whereby ukuthi now umbeka as a contender of the player of the season, the young player of the season, it simply means ukuthi umfaka under pressure, but also you are pushing him to level up, because we know very well ukuthi he will give you goals, he will give you assists. But one thing that he has to focus on is consistency and how to add another element in his game, because we know very well ukuthi he's not physically strong, and Betway Premier League, most of the games we're gonna face ama players that are strong. So for him mele akwazi ukuthi uzibhela out kanjani kuma situations ana kanjalo, and to focus on other aspects of ukuthi focus on the off the ball movement, so that he can help the team more, because in the modern football it's not about what you do with the ball, but off the ball also it is important ukuthi uncedise ukumarka. We see from coaches abroad Europe, teams like abo Real Madrid, Xavi Alonso ke yena he's a firm believer ukuthi players are not only responsible, especially the forward players with kumele bakore ama-goals, but they also must help the team defend, because it is important to do so. Because kuzoba nama-games whereby ukuthi you will get opponents that will pin you on your own half, whereby ukuthi you will have to defend in order ukuthi ungadliwa, because amanye ama-games are difficult if you are going to play against opponents that fully prepared for you, instead of you making them chase you, but sekuwo chase bona manje because of what sekunzima. We saw when they played versus Liverpool, Real Madrid, ukuthi it wasn't easy. So we need players ukuthi bakwazi kuba switch on, including a player like uMduduzi Shabalala. Naye kumele akwazi ukufocus on the off the ball movement, help the team defend, and also add to their element, to their dynamic in terms of how they play, because since they have a speed, they're explosive, they can help us to get ama-goals amaningi when they're gonna initiate a high press, whereby which it will need a trigger for them ukuthi bayenze ngazathi abanakanga, and then when they pass the opponent, especially in that D-line, they press, force him to make a mistake. We saw when we played against Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi siwayenza kakhulu ama-triggers, so initiate a high press using yena uMduduzi Shabalala. You'll find a player like Obokucela Bolilip, but now I think ngathi sesiyehlisile because we are no longer pressing, but now we are trying ukuthi senze at least sikwazi ukucontrol ama-games, but we'll need them ukuthi bakwazi kuba focused. Yes, they are youngsters, but they won't be youngsters forever. They will evolve as the game will evolve, but we need them ukuthi bakwazi ukulungisela, because a player like Mfundo Vilakazi has the potential to be the next big thing in South Africa, but it needs ukuthi athole i-trust from the coaches and also from himself ukuthi if we're gonna use this as a two-way street, we trust in you, you trust in yourself, you repay us. So we need that with abe consistent, abe dedicated, and then okunye kuzokwenzakalela kuzosivelela, because yes yena he can stand a chance ukuthi abe young player of the season, but kuyodingeka ukuthi adlale more games, decide ama-games more, abe ne-influence more on the games, akore, assist. That will put him in a pole position ukuthi ayenzeni, I win that young player of the season. But I think it's still early ukuthi singamfaka under that pressure. Let's wait for the second half of the season, and then that's where we can decide, because amanye ama-games is not guaranteed ukuthi uzowaqala, but for now since asawaqala, we enjoy and see his input on the team, helping us ukuthi siye phambili siyokora, relying on his technical ability. And then I think sivala ngoKhosi Flava. Khosi Flava, Flavio Silva, received a call-up from Guinea-Bissau, his home country. Gonavele, it was inevitable, because after everything that he has done, especially scoring 4 goals in 5 games, it could have been 5 in 5 if he scored that header when he played against the Ovid College. But it is a good thing. It is a start for good things, because when the season started, many people didn't have hope in him. But he had other plans, which he knows he's capable of what. So now, bawubonile umsebenzi wakhe, bambizile. I don't know what I can say what is a Khosi effect, but I cannot say what a Khosi effect, but I can say what now he did play his part, because you played, I think, a total of 139 minutes and you register 4 goals in 5 games, average of 35 minutes per game in those 5 games. It is something huge, including a goal ratio yake. It is better than most of the players that played many games. So it simply means good if the coaches my games, they can start him, he can register more goals. I don't know about that, but I cannot say what it is a Khosi effect, because the Khosi effect is not helping with Inacio Miguel. Inacio Miguel, Angola is going to play against Argentina. Obvious, when you say Argentina, there's only one name that comes to mind, the greatest of all time, Lionel Messi. So he's missing out on an opportunity to rub shoulders against the best player in the world.